In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Microsoft OneNote. If you've ever opened a note and felt it looked messy or hard to scan, this walkthrough will help you make everything clean, organized, and easy to read. We'll focus on the tools available on the Home tab, and everything you see here applies to both the desktop and the web version of OneNote. Start by selecting the text you want to change. On the Home tab, use the Font drop-down to choose a typeface that fits your style, like Arial or Calibri, and adjust the font size to make text larger or smaller. Keep your fonts consistent across a page to maintain a professional look. For quick emphasis, use the classic trio: bold to make words stand out, italics for titles or emphasis within a sentence, and underline for clear emphasis lines. You'll find B, I, and U right on the Home tab. Color can guide attention when used thoughtfully. With your text selected, choose Font Color to change the text color using the palette icon. If you want to call attention without changing the font color, use the Highlight tool, the marker icon, to add a subtle background color behind your text. Pick a small set of colors and stick with them to keep things readable. When you're listing ideas or steps, the bullets and numbering buttons help structure your content. Use increase indent and decrease indent to create hierarchy within your lists, which is especially helpful for outlining topics and subpoints. Alignment tools let you position your text to the left, center, or right. Left alignment is best for most notes, while center alignment works well for titles and section headers. For a consistent structure, apply styles such as Title, Heading 1, or Heading 2. These built-in styles not only make your notes look uniform, they also help you scan content quickly. To mark important items, apply tags like Important or Question. Tags are great visual flags and make it easier to review key points later. If you've styled one section just the way you like, you can copy that formatting to other text using Format Painter. Select the formatted text, click the paintbrush icon on the Home tab, then drag over the text you want to match. It's a fast way to keep your formatting consistent. And if things get too noisy, you can reset. Select the text and choose Clear All Formatting on the Home tab to return it to the default style. With these tools, your OneNote pages will be clear, organized, and easy to revisit.